Okay.
These are downpipes. I can't do it. Hold on. You're trying to turn up the boost, run some ethanol, MS-109, whatever case may be. These things right here kind of get in the way of the turbo speed. I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, Mad, Mastery of Art and Design, who sent me out Callus downpipes for my GT2 M4, and I replaced these heavy things with the other ones. So they're actually already in the car. I'll let you guys hear how it sounds. Hit it right now. Oh my God, I didn't realize how loud it was. Yo, hit the gas again? It sounds pretty good. I want to rip it already. Stock exhaust. It sounds pretty good from the outside. Inside, sounds like nothing. AW exhaust. Sounded even better from the inside. The outside sounded like 100 times better. The Callus downpipes, depending on the tone of sound that you like, sounds 1,000,000 times better with the AW exhaust on the outside and like 1,000,000 times better on the inside, if that makes any sense. Like this car feels like a fucking race car. Quoted for a shop. In Maryland, it was like 680 bucks. And in New York, it's about 450 bucks to do the job. So I just did it myself and I decided to treat myself to some other stuff. So I'll show you guys how difficult that install was. Hardest part was actually all these freaking screws in the front. And after that, it's pretty much straightforward. I did the downpipe in my M340 as well, which was just one. And this is two, so I assume it'd be a lot harder, but it's actually not. So I want to give a huge shout out to the guys over at Mad for sending these things out. It's Mastery Artistic Development or Design. I got to put the proper thing right there, but they look pretty damn good. Now I had them for a minute. I've been touching them. It feels nice and smooth, so I haven't really opened it to look inside. Let me see it now. This side is the, whew, oh yeah. It looks pretty good in there. Before throwing it in, I kind of already highly recommend these. Metal pipe is metal pipe at the end of the day, and Mad has a 100% fitment guarantee. Also, they are the cheapest ones you can get for this car. So, I mean, if it fits, you know, you can't go wrong with it. Quality is good. You're not lacking anything on quality, the welds. So I'm going to be doing this DIY by myself. A little bit difficult because we have two turbos in here, 1, 2, or 1, 2, whichever one. We got to remove some O2 sensors over here. I'll get underneath, get that shield in, which is crazy, and then we'll see how easy it is to do these downpipes. Guys, if you're ready to sign up for disappointment, just look underneath your car. Look at that. Luckily, not too much damage, but we do have some scrapage on the front lip, on the bottom. This is one of the most important pieces you don't want to mess up. This is the oil cooler, so if a rock pop up in here, it's over for you. Yo, it's crazy, even this scrape. I'm thinking about raising the car up because this is a pretty deep gash, like, sheesh. It's a pretty deep gash. Oh, right here too, look. Oh man, this thing is kind of low. Yo, I don't think you guys know, well, if you watch this video, yeah, how difficult getting just the under tray stuff is. But once you're under here, everything looks typical BMW, a lot of aluminum. Oil pan is well secured. Like, you're literally destroying the subframe before you touch the oil pan, which is pretty good. Starter looks really, starter job is easy. Look at that. Once you put on some things, starter's right there. I had to say you're gonna need one, but that's an easy job. Literally scraped up all the exhausts, which is wild. So luckily I always buy my rear wheel drive cars because there ain't no axle coming out of here and no transfer case, all that stuff to get in the way. I see one downpipe right here. You guys can look at it. That's one. And then the other one is above it, right up here. So it honestly looks fairly easy. One. Ow. Voila! Now I just gotta find the two other lambda sensors, or O2 sensors. Just right here. Wire it out. This one's over here. Yo, after some time I realized it's right here in the front. It goes down the front turbo, so found the third O2 sensor thing, or the fourth one actually for me. Slide it up. Pop it off, and now I gotta fish it out, which you guys get that part, right? Gotta come out all of these. Caught on something I did, so. Uh-oh, guys. It's a boy. Ah, crap. Please don't tell me the car's not jacked up enough. Bro, I hope I remember where these freaking O2 sensor wires go. Like, bro, how they routed. Woo! God damn. Okay, so here we go. This is the short, this is the long. It should be easier putting it in because it's a lot less mass right here. You can see the stock ones are really huge. Appreciate every single one of you guys who support me, no matter where or when or how I work on my car, DIY style. For life, I'm not gonna lie to you. Call the shop, I call Rick, like, yo, how much you gonna charge me? He said about 4. So I said, let me see. If I could do this myself, and I ain't gotta pay the 400, then I don't know, I'll take myself out somewhere, you know, enjoy that 400, you know, maybe put it somewhere back in the car, put it back into the channel. So you see how that works? So when you don't have any friends, use a jack to hold up the downpipe so you can get right up in a crack and line things up right there. Quick update, I'm gonna tighten everything up. Got everything on nice, all the O2 sensors up. Check that out. Woo. Gotta tighten all this up. We're good to go. Yo, she sounds good. Yo, you see my paddle fell off too? Look, the paddle freaking fell off, the plus paddle fell off. This is the second set of aftermarket paddles. Like my M340, it fell off. And now this, it fell off in this car. I just think that I just pressed the plus too aggressively, yo. Cause like I'd be ready to send it, you know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? I think I'm just so aggressive that the paddle just comes off. And like, they're like glued on, so. Did I just put the crib sign up? They're glued on. They're glued on. That's what I meant. Oh, he's driving? You learn how to drive? My bad, wait, you, hold on, is he following me? What happened? Thanks, bro, I was a little scared. You teaching him how to drive?
Yeah, he kind of knows, but...
Oh, I was about to say I was a little fucking scared because I'm like, oh, shit, let me get out of your way.
Nah, it's all good. Nah, that's next.
Thanks, but it's actually pretty dirty. We just did some donuts.
Oh, word?
Yeah, in the dirt.
Oh, in the dirt?
Yeah, I film for like YouTube and stuff like that.
Oh, word?
Yeah, man. It's slow speed.
Slow speed?
Yeah, like slow as in not fast, and then speed as in fast. Yeah. Yeah, so yo, you guys enjoy it. I'm probably about to get like pulled over or something. I don't know. We're gonna see what that cop wants to do. But other than that, yo, you guys take it easy and good luck, man. Good luck. No, that's not cloud, that's fire, bro. I know fire when I see him. I used to set some when I was a little kid. One of my other cars that I had before this one, I did the same thing and I ended up in the sand and I had to get it towed out. Not here, because luckily you can make it out, but... Yeah. Yeah, we got some dirt in there. I ain't gonna front. That was still some of the funnest times I had in this car just now. So I guess this is the end of this video. Gotta close it out. Yeah, mad downpipes for the win. It's probably too windy too. Very windy. Yeah, but like this video. I'm out of here.